वासुदेवं रमाकान्तं नत्वा लौगाक्षिभास्करः कुरुते जैमिनिनये प्रवेशायार्थसंग्रहम्। नामधेयत्वम is because of four reasons. First one was मत्वर्थ लक्षणा भयात. Second वाक्य भेदात, वाक्य भेद भयात. Third तत्प्रख्य शास्त्रात. Fourth तद व्यपदेशात, तद व्यपदेशात. So we have already seen मत्वर्थ लक्षणा भयात and वाक्य भेद भयात. मत्वर्थ लक्षणा भयात, what is the दृष्टांत? उद्भिदा यजेत पशुका. वाक्य भेद भयात, what was the दृष्टांत? चित्रया यजेत पशुकाम. So these two दृष्टांतस we have seen. Now तत्प्राख्य शास्त्राद अग्निहोत्रम जुहोति. In this अग्निहोत्र शब्दस्य नामधेयत्वम. So in this first we saw the व्युत्पत्ति अर्थ. अग्नौ होत्रम अस्मिन् इति सप्तमी समास यूज्ड. अग्नौ होत्रम अस्मिन्. Then अग्नये होत्रम चतुर्थी समास. And thereafter we saw mantra varna. So some people suggested yad agnaye cha prajapataye cha sayam juhoti as mantra. Or somebody else said agnir jyotihi jyotir agnihi swaha iti mantra varna. Now see further. Page number 61. Nanu agner mantra varnikatve प्रजापति देवतया बाधः स्यात्. If you use Agni Shabda from the mantra varnika, means from the varnas of the mantra, then Prajapati Devataya, by this Prajapati Devata, there will be badha of this Agni. Why? Because Prajapataye is also given. Yad Agnaye cha Prajapataye cha Sayam Juhoti, in this way. मंत्रवर्णस्य चतुर्थितो दुर्बलत्वात्. मंत्रवर्ण is दुर्बल compared to चतुर्थी विभक्ति. So in the mantravarna, if there is no shabda which says this is devata, Agni as devata, if there is no such thing, then Chaturthi vibhakti, when you say, it is for devata only. So in mantravarna there is no devata pratipadaka shabda. And whenever Chaturthi vibhakti is used, then Chaturthi vibhakti is referring to devata, it is for devata. So this mantra varna, they are taking this Agnir Jyotihi Jyotir Agnihi. In that Agni is devata is not mentioned. Yad Agnaye cha Prajapataye, in that devatatva is very clear. Right? Chaturthito mantra varnasya durbalatvat. Yatha ahuhu. So first this much should be clear, that in mantra varna Agni, what is there, if you use this Agnayecha Prajapatayecha, there Prajapati is devata because of the Chaturthi vibhakti. So there the mantra varna they are using Agnir Jyotihi Jyotiragnihi Swaha iti mantra varna eva Agni Rupa Devata Prapakah. That sentence which is there, Devata Rupena Agni Prapaka Shastra Prashna in this topic. Tad ahuhu, this is Tantra Vartika. तद्धितेन चतुर्थ्या वा मंत्रवर्णेन वा पुनः देवताया विधिस्तत्र दुर्बलं तु परम परम इति चेत तद्धित चतुर्थी and mantravarna. So if tadhita pratyay is used, that is prabala. Chaturthi is durbala compared to tadhita. Mantravarna is further durbala. That is what is said in this shloka. Devatayaha vidhi tatra durbalam tu param param. Every next one is weaker and weaker compared to the previous one. Iti chet na. Yad agnaye cha prajapataye cha sayam juhoti. In this, iti atra na kevalam prajapati vidhanam. But in this, what Kechit some people said, agnaye cha prajapataye cha, in this, there is not only prajapati vidhanam, agni vidhanam is also there. Kintu mantra varna praptam agnim anudya tat samuchita prajapate he. Mantravarna praptam agnim anudya. Anudya means anudya. What is the dhatu in that? Vach. Vach dhatu is there. Anu udya. Samprasarana has happened. Tat samuchita prajapate. Agni samuchita prajapati, its vidhanam is done. Not kevala prajapati vidhanam. Evancha na badha. And therefore, there is no badha of Agni by Prajapati. Kevala Prajapati Vidhana Abhava. If there was Kevala Prajapati Vidhanam, Agni Vidhanam was not there, then Agni Badha you can say. But it is not like that. Kevala Prajapati Vidhanam is not done. Agni Samuchita Prajapati Vidhanam is done. न च अत्र समुचितो भय विधानम एव कथम न इति वाच्यम् अत्र समुचित उभय विधानम एव कथम न इति न च वाच्यम्. Here samuchita ubhay vidhanam, samuchita both coming together. Samuchita ubhay vidhanam eva katham na, why you don't say both vidhanam are done? Iti na cha vachyam. Why? Samuchita ubhay vidhana apekshaya anyatah praptam agnim anudya tat samuchita prajapati matra vidhane laghavat. Instead of doing vidhanam of two, Agni and Prajapati, what they are suggesting, Agni vidhanam is done elsewhere. Prajapati vidhanam is here. Here what you have to understand, Anyatra Agni vidhanam which is done, its samuchaya should be done with Prajapati whose vidhanam is done here. Anyatah praptam agnim anudya tat samuchita Prajapati matra vidhanam. This is Laghava. So they will always go for Laghava in Shabdataha or Arthataha, etc. What is minimum that you should understand. Don't understand the maximum. Evam प्रयाजेषु समिदादि देवतानां समिदः समिधो अग्ने आज्यस्य व्यन्तु इत्यादि मंत्रवर्णेभ्यः प्राप्तत्वात् समिधो यजति इत्यादिषु समिदादि शब्दाः तत्प्रख्य शास्त्रात् कर्म नामधेयम्. So in this, Agnihotram was namadheyam, previous one. He says now in the same way Samidha is also namadheyam. In Prayaja, Samido yajati, Ido yajati ityadi, Tanunapatam yajati. So Samidadi devatanam, Samidaha, Samidho, Agna, Ajyasya. In this mantra varna, Samidha, etc., all the shabdas, they have namadheyatvam. This is based on Tatprakhya Shastrat. So these are specific words. You have to use them only in that way, the way Vedas have said. Now, tad vyapadeshena karma namadheyatvam, the fourth one. This is the prasiddha one. Shenena avicharan yajeta iti atra. Shena shabdasya karma namadheyatvam tad vyapadeshat. So this is the fourth drishtanta. Shenena abhicharan yajeta. Shena yaga is done for Shatru Maranam, Vairi Maranam. Tena Vyapadeshat Upamanat Tad Anyatha Anupapattehe iti yavat. Tena Vyapadeshat. Vyapadesha means Kathanam, to indicate, to mention. So, Shenena Vyapadeshat, here Shena Shabda has to be Namadheya alone. Why? Tad anyatha anupapattehe. Otherwise, it is not possible. Shena means what? Baj Pakshi is called Shena. Sheno va Suparno va. There is a mantra in Chandogya, I think.
Brihadaranyaka Upanishad.
In Brihadaranyaka. Sheno.
Yes.
We already saw, I think. So Shena has different meaning. But here, Shenena Avicharan Yajeta, in that Shena Shabda is Namadhe, because it has no sambandha with that big eagle, etc. Baj Pakshi, they call it. Tathahi, yad videyam tasya stutir bhavati. Yad yatra shyeno videyaha syat, tad arthavadais tasyaiva stutihi karya. Yad yatra shyeno videya syat. There where Shena is videya, so Shena Yaga Stuti will be done, where its Vidhanam is done. Tada Arthavadaihi Tasyeva Stutihi Karya. So there some Arthavada Vakya will be there. Always you have to remember, Arthavada Vakya has to be associated with some Vidhi Vakya. Arthavada Vakya cannot be there without Vidhi Vakya. So some Vidhanam is done, then for that some Stuti, Arthavada is there. Atra Yatha Vai, so he gives Drishtanta of this Videya, Shena is Videya and Arthavada. Yatha Vai Sheno Nipatya Adatte iti anena Arthavadena Shenaha Stotum na Shakya. Shenopamanena Arthantara Stutehe Kriyamanatvat. Shena is upamana. So by this arthpadena, shena stuti is not done. Why? Shena upamanena arthantara stute kriyamana. They have given Drishtanta in the Hindi explanation is there. Second last line on 62. Shena means Baja. मत्स्यादि जंतु का नाश करता है. How it kills, you know, they show sometimes like it is all the way up somewhere, flying very high, and inside the water some fish is there, and it can see, and it will come and go all the way down, pick it up. Like that, the Shyena Yaga will do your Shatru Nasha. The performer of Shyena Yaga will go to Naraka. This is also there. So that's why it should not be done, but it will do this work. So here, Arthavadena Shyena Pakshi Stuti is not done. So then, by that, Shyena is Upamana. Shyena Upamanena Arthantara Stuti. Something else is being praised. So what is that something else? This Shyena Yaga. Shyena Pakshi Stuti is not there. Shyena Pakshi Upamanena Shyena Yaga Stuti is there. न च श्येनोपमानत्वेन स एव स्तोतुं शक्यते. उपमान उपमेय भावस्य भिन्न निष्ठत्वात्. Shyena itself is upamana and Shyena itself is upameya is not possible. If you are giving Shyena upamana, Shyena itself cannot be the object of stuti, praise. So Shyena Pakshi, how it is, like that, Shyena Sanyaka Yaga is there, whose stuti is done. So that is said now. Yada tu Shyena Sanyako Yago vidhiyate, tada arthavadena Shyena upamanena tasya stuti hi kartum shakyate. If Shyena Sanyaka is Yaga, yet that vidhanam if it is done, then tada arthavadena, because their arthavada is allowed, where there is vidhi vakya. In that arthavada, Shyena upamanena, by the Shyena Pakshi upamanena, tasya Shyena yagasya stuti kartum shakyate. Iti Shyena shabdah karma namadeyam tad vyapadeshat. Okay, now next topic is there. Some people they say there is fifth namadheyatvam. We will just read first two sentences. That's it. Utpatti shishta guna baliyastvam api panchamam namadheya nimittam iti kechi. Some people they say utpatti shishta guna. It's not clear in the book. Guna baliyastvam is also a Panchamam Namadheyatvam, is the fifth Namadheyatvam. It is said by some people. This is also a nimitta. Drishtanta is Yatha Vaishwa Devena Yajeta Ityadav. So at least these Drishtantas, if you remember, you will remember the groups. First one was Udvida Yajeta Pashukama. Second, Chitraya. Third, Agnihotram Jyoti. Fourth, Shyenena Yajet. And now, Vaishwadevan. Okay. So we will see details tomorrow. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.